That's what it's all about. Well done. High five all around. But before you start shouting from the mountaintops or calling your best mate or your prospecting buddies, there are a few things you should consider.
So sabi niya guys, bago ka pa man mag-celebrate at sumigaw dahil sa saya at tawagin yung mga kasamahan mo, ay may mga bagay kang dapat ikonsidera. Which is totoo naman talaga guys, at dapat ay hindi tayo padalos-dalos.
Legally, in some places, any gold that you find may belong to the title holder.
So sabi niya guys, ay sa ibang lugar daw ay yung nagmamay-ari ng gold na nakuha mo or treasure na nakuha mo ay yung title holder. So siguro yung ibig niyang sabihin doon sa title holder ay yung may-ari ng lupa. Dahil alam naman natin na sa bawat lugar ay meron yang kanya-kanyang treasure hunting law. Which is, dapat talaga nating malaman yan as a metal detectorist or a treasure hunter. Kasi magkaiba naman yung permit holder at saka title holder guys. Permit holder is yung mismong treasure hunter. Operator or prospector.